Assalamualaikum everybody, this is my 62nd algorithm video. In this task we are given a list of numbers and we need to find the maximum product of two numbers. So I would make two variables, largest number is equal to float minus infinity and second largest number is equal to float minus infinity. Then I would make a for loop for I in list of numbers. If I is greater than your largest number, I would give the previous value of largest number to the second largest number and give the current value of I to the largest number. If I is greater than your second largest number and I is not equals to your largest number, then second largest number is equal to I. Then I would do largest product is equal to largest number multiplied by your second largest number. Then I would print largest number. I would print second largest number and print the largest product. Now as I click play, now as you can see that the largest product from this list is 42 because the largest number is 7 and the second largest number is 6. Now if I change the question to include 142 4, 23. So the largest product from this list is 4205 because the largest number is 100 and the second largest number is 42. So 100 times 42 is 4200. That is all from my side. I hope you liked my video. Please share, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.